Here is one of our clients' website which we have updated for higher conversion. Watch till the end so that you can see whether you can implement these tactics or the tools in your website or not to get the higher conversion on the website. So let's see what are the things which we have updated in this website. So first you can see here we have added this call to action button which is book appointment. Previously there were no any buttons like this call to action button. So what we need to make sure is like this is the hero section. Once anyone will visit this website they will see this thing. So let's suppose we don't have this call to action button. What you want the user to do? The main reason of the reason behind hero section is to uh, show the most important thing of your website. What are the message you want to convey to the users whenever they are visiting to your website? So you need to make sure that there is a call to action button. Here is a call to action button as well. We have added it already, but this was not visible when we are landing on the home page directly. So we need to make sure that we are adding any call to action button which is visible on the first group. So we have added that first time. Then there were more text than this, which is not good. You need to make sure that you have added the important things only on the website so that you can add as many things as you want, or also you can say as many sections you can add in the home page like this you can see here. So what we did was we have created a new about us page which you can see right here. I don't know where it is. Okay, so once you will click on this read more button, then you will reach to this page which is about us. And here you can see that we have added all the content which she has already and a new picture of her. Along with that we have added two treatment and also the link of the treatment directly, so that if they are looking for any treatment then they can book directly from here. So these are the two things which we have done. Along with that we have added one chatbot which you can see right here. So if anyone has any question related to the treatment or whether it is prices and all, they can just click on this chat option and then they can talk to the AI. And if the question is related to the aesthetician, so then they can just write connect me to the aesthetician, and this clinic owner will get a notification on her email or on her SMS that there is one person who wants to who is sending you a message to talk to you. Then she can reply directly from her phone only without having to visit this website or opening her website. This is powered by Lido AI agent. So we have used AI agent and we have trained this chatbot models so that this chatbot is able to answer all types of questions. So this was the two things which we have done. Along with that what we have done is we have added Google reviews on the home page. She already has a good amount of Google reviews, but she haven't added in the website. So what we did was we have integrated the Google reviews on the website, so it will make more sense and build authority whenever a visitor will visit this website. So these are some of the things which we have done to improve the conversion of Imethi. The clinic name is Amethyst Beauty Aesthetics. So you can check this website. This is live as well, and also you can see that this is powered by DevMart, which is our website. And if you want us to do a audit of your website totally free of cost, then you can just reach out to us. I will mention my Instagram ID or our Instagram page in the description, and you can reach out to us by there. Along with that, if you want to see a testimonial client wins, you can check it right here on our website, and you can book the call with us directly from here if you want. So this was all about this video. If you find this video useful, just comment on this video, or you can like it as well. And also, if you know someone who might be in need of this video, then you can share it to them, and then it will be very helpful for us to get to the right audience, or the people who might be in need of this video. So this was all about this video. Thanks and bye for now.